Alaikum. My topic of presentation is a historical review of Pakistan-Poland defense relations and opportunities for future cooperation. I will try to proceed in simplicity that you can understand whatever I want to convey in simple words. Sequence of the presentation is history of Pakistan-Poland defense relations, Pakistan and Poland defense industries, potential and opportunities for cooperation and challenges. History of Pakistan-Poland defense relations. One thing is common between two countries, that almost two countries have faced similar circumstances in history. For example, both countries fought wars very soon after their birth. In 1920, Poland fought with Russia, and in 1948, Pakistan fought with India. And also, scarcity of resources and unfriendly neighbors is also another common thing between peoples of both countries. When Pakistan was created, there was a need of trained manpower for Pakistan defense forces. Why Pakistan was needed for trained manpower? There was two main reasons. Attitude problems of the British soldiers and high cost to maintain British officers. After Pakistan's creation, I think you know General Grazi refused to invade Kashmir, refusing Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So British officers didn't want to fight against their co-nationals, British officers in Indian Army. That was the one reason. And second reason was that high cost. British officer was taking so much salaries as compared to local officers. So Pakistan decided to induct foreign officers into Pakistan Air Force. So Pakistan offered Polish airmen to come and contracted with Pakistan Air Force. Do you know how many airmen of Poland served in Pakistan Air Force? Anyone know? How much? No. 58. Oh, sorry, 52. And our Air Commodore Torres was prominent among them. One thing I want to say that you have very much known about Air Commodore Torres, so it is a reputation to say what he did for Pakistan Air Force. So I skip this. Only you see pictures. One thing I want to say that he was the only non-British officer who obtained the position of ACS, Assistant Deputy of Pakistan Air Force. He was the only non-British officer. And he was also the director of Siparco. He was also known as the missile rocket man of Pakistan. Admiral Timinsky, another prominent personality who served in Pakistan Navy was Admiral Timinsky. He was the hero of Second World War. He was given Distinguished Cross. He served in Pakistan 25th Flotilla as a commander from 51 to 58. Pakistan and Poland industries. First of all, Pakistan defense industry. Do you know how many ordnance factories Pakistan had when it was created? Anyone know? None. There were 16 ordnance factories when Pakistan was created, and all were fell in Indian territory. No any single one ordnance factory was within the boundaries of Pakistan. That was an alarming situation for Pakistan defense industry. But today, there are over 20 public and over 100 private sectors, organizations and firms are associated with Pakistan defense industry, including Pakistan Ordnance Factory, Pakistan Aeronautical Complex and Heavy Textile Industry Textile. Production of Pakistan defense industries are as small arms, ammunition, mortar bombs, vehicles, main battle tanks, UAVs, main drones and aircraft. Poland defense industry. फोर्स का ग्रुप है, आगे पता नहीं क्या लिखा है. It was a comic relief. You are feeling boring. In English, Polish Armament Group, PGZ. Polish Armament Group is a state-owned company. It is an umbrella company. Over 13 defense industries are associated with Polish Armament Group. And production of Polish armament industries as one another an interesting thing, maybe you know or not, V-shaped tail aircraft was invented by a Polish engineer. Polish armament industry has sophisticated avionics equipment. It is well known and well reliable avionics industry in the world. I think almost every fifth aircraft is using Polish equipment in aircraft in any way. And V-tail aircraft have some pros as lighter, it reduces drag, increase stealth, improves safety and better span. Pakistan and Poland arms sale. According to Stockholm International Peace and Research Institute, Pakistan was the 10th largest arms importer country in the world, and PGZ is among first 100 arms producing and services company in the world. But arms sale between Pakistan and Poland is at very low level. According to Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Pakistan was given only one license of arms export in 2016 and only one in 2018 and only one in 2019. That was the worth of only some €1,000. There are 4 fields for future cooperation: services and technical support, arms vehicles and navy boats, military exhibitions, training. Pakistan can have help from Poland as the technical support and modernization of the Pakistan Air Force. And what can Pakistan have from Poland? Avionics equipment, modernization of weapons, small arms and snipers. Pakistan is interested to supplanting G3 rifle with any other small rifle of any other country. Pakistan visited in 2017 in Poland, but that was not feasible, I think. Pakistan was interested in MSBS that is comparable with Brita of Italian and German, Heckler and Koch G3 rifle. Pakistan Navy is also using missile marine assault boats and Chaser TM-1226 boats. What can Poland have from Pakistan? That is J-17 Thunder aircraft. Anti-terror training, UAVs. First of all, J-17 aircraft. I think you are feeling some boring, so I am giving you some moment for relaxation. It was during 2018. It was during 2018 air show in Poland, and it is not my news, but it is the news of world media that Pakistan J-17 has looted the air show in Poland, and Poland also was interested in to purchase J-17 from Pakistan, but it didn't. I don't know why. You may answer. They dealt with South Korea and American for, I think, for other aircraft. There are some challenges for relations. Third-party involvement. Third-party involvement increases the cost and regulatory issue of the defense relations. So I am concluding. There, for example, Pakistan was purchasing an armed vehicle that was associated with South Korea and UK. Its price increased and Pakistan refused because fiscal situation of Pakistan was not feasible to purchase that deal. And other is treaty obligations of international organization. As you know, that Poland is the member of NATO and EU. European Union is the supranational body. So it imposed some compulsions for treaty obligations. For example, it sanctioned the Russian banks. So every country have to impose that sanction. There are two main things: third-party involvement and treaty obligation of international organization are the two challenges for Pakistan and Poland defense relations. At the end, I want to thank two personalities who contributed for Pakistan and Poland defense relation in the shape of books and documentary film. So thank you.